I had no idea that my washing machine had a filter, and I know it had a bit of a stink. Looks like $1, $2, and an M4 bolt, insulation tape, and oh wait a minute, oh my god, oh it's that thing, remove before flight. I wondered how the hell that had gone into the wash and never came out, but it was years ago. It's another $2 with something welded to the side. Oh, it's a, I don't know what it is. Looks like the back of a pin stud, is it? Ooh. Anyway, it's another two. Oh, there's another two. No, it's not $2. It's 5 cents. Here's $2. Oh my god! A bread bag tie. Oh wait a minute, something. What's that? Oh, what that is. That's a coin cell battery, a button cell. I suppose innocence is no defence. I should have known that there's not a filter. Was it a filter? A lint gathering device? Trap? I don't know. Is that what they call it? Anyhow. Yeah, well that's quite revolting, isn't it? But I'm $7.05 up on the deal. And I also found my keychain thingy. That was years ago I lost this. It seems to be, oh, it's delaminating because all the stitching's disappeared, I guess. Oh my god. Right. So, clean your washing machine. Hey.